Hi, welcome to Product Review by Watt Hour. In this video, we are going to do the review of this KWS-AC300 or AC100 100 ampere AC energy meter that shows the current, the time that passed, amount of energy, and also the power factor, including the power and voltage and temperature. Let's get started with this. I purchased it from AliExpress. The model that I have is this one. This is $13.73 with free shipping. But if you don't want the split core, it's $11.72 US. There is also a 20 ampere version available. I will provide you the affiliated link when you purchase. I will get some commission. Thank you. We got this current transformer. Here is the model. It can measure up to from 0 to 100 ampere. So this is a split current transformer. So we have a simple sheet of English here. We have this type of connector to connect it to AC, live and neutral here, and then there is also a small temperature sensor. I don't see the connector here. So this is an NTC temperature sensor where we will connect it in this. We will connect it in here to monitor. If you want to track the amount of AC energy, this module is very useful and easy to use. You just need to connect two wires to the voltage and then use this current transformer like that and pass it through your wire. It doesn't need any cutting or anything. This is nice. It's also sold with a closed one that you can pass your wire, but I prefer this one because this will make it very easy. And with this you can see also the current, the voltage, the time that you started measuring, and the amount of energy. The power is also shown in real time, and this is amount of energy, and also you can see the power factor if you want it. Just press this button and it will change. Let's have a look at the specs. For the model that we have for the 100 ampere, it can measure the current from 0 to 100 ampere, and the voltage is from 50 to 300 volts AC. And amount of energy that it will save or display is, as you can see, 0.01 kilowatt to 19,999. This is for the energy, kilowatt hour, and the power from 0 to 3 kilowatt, and time 0 to 300 hour. Temperature and humidity is mentioned here. So the major feature: temperature, power, voltage, energy, time, and current. If you want to purchase this quasi authentic meter, the link are below this video in the description. When you purchase it, I'll get some commission and it will help me. Thank you. Example, here we can read on the red. We can read the current, we can read the time, we can read the watt hour or power factor. So this shows kilowatt hour, and we press this, it changes to power factor. And this is the current, this is the voltage, and this is the power at that moment. Once you connect this temperature sensor, you will see the temperature in Celsius. Now let me show you the wiring. The first thing that you do is this is you get your wire. This side goes to the wall, and this side goes to my load where I can connect fan, air conditioner, whatever you have. Of course, your wire will be much strong, but this is just an example. So this is ready, and in here I have identified the live wire and the neutral, and I've stripped the cover for this, remove the cover and attach a red wire or a wire that you identify, and for the neutral as well, remove the cover and attach wire. So now we have these two wires. These two wires will be connected to these two terminals in here. The red goes here and the black to the other one, so we can read the voltage. So this is just for the voltage. For this current transformer, connect the red one on this side and black on the other side, and then we will pass it through our wire. Now in my case, I've prepared this wire, and this is for my load. I'm going to connect this on this side. I'm going to connect it on this side, and this will be for my voltage. So I'm connecting it here to this JST connector, and now this is ready. I'm powering this up. Now we can learn how to do the settings. So I've separated these two wires so we can pass it through the current transformer. Now this has been placed. We can see the voltage. Now I'm going to connect a heat gun. This is partially inductive and resistive load. Now let me turn it on. (608 watt). This has two stages. Here. Now, as time passes, you will see that it shows the time that it was measured, and here it shows the power factor, 99. The power factor is 0.99, and total energy. So the current is 11.2 ampere. Voltage is 114 volts. Pay attention to this power factor. Now I'm connecting a fan here. Now the fan is running it's 0.47 and the current is 0.83 ampere. Energy shows here. Power factor 0.47. Now, with this, we can reset the energy and the time. For example, press and hold it for a few seconds. 10 seconds, I believe. Yes. So now it's here, and now press it. It moves to this one. Press it again, it goes to the next one. Here, we can double press, and it's resetted. Now that has been resetted. Press this, so it comes to the kilowatt hour, and double press it, it's resetted now. Both of these have been resetted. Press and hold. So it's saved and exited. You can get the resources for this video by visiting our website, watthour.ca. Thank you for watching. Make sure to thumb up the video and also subscribe to my channel. When I post new videos, you will be notified.